Welcome back, creative souls. Today we're about to embark on an extraordinary journey into the world of design like never before. I'm absolutely thrilled to introduce you to the game changer, Adobe Firefly. Get ready to witness your creativity take flight with the ultimate design tool at your fingertips. From adaptive canvases that cater to every stroke, to fluid brushes that dance like magic, and even interactive animations that leave you in awe, Adobe Firefly has it all. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting to explore your artistic side, Firefly will redefine your creative process. Join me as we delve into the limitless possibilities, ease of use, and endless inspiration that Adobe Firefly offers. Don't miss out on this incredible journey of artistic exploration. Smash that like button and subscribe, and also let's set your creativity ablaze with Adobe Firefly, the ultimate design tool. Number 1. Introducing Adobe Firefly. Let's kick things off by delving into the essence of Adobe Firefly. Imagine a realm where your imagination knows no bounds, where the boundaries between your creative visions and tangible designs blur into an awe-inspiring symphony of visual brilliance. That's the realm of Adobe Firefly invites you into. Created by the visionary minds at Adobe, a trailblazer in the realm of creative software, Firefly isn't just another tool, it's a transformative experience. It's meticulously crafted to empower designers, artists, and creators of all kinds with an unparalleled and seamless platform that nurtures their ideas into vibrant realities. Whether you're an adept graphic artist, a masterful illustrator, or someone who is captivated by the realm of design, Adobe Firefly is here to spark your creative fire and illuminate your path to unparalleled artistry. Number 2. Innovative features. Now let's unravel the tapestry of Adobe Firefly's innovative features that set it ahead and shoulders above the rest. Adaptive canvas. Picture a canvas that molds itself to your creation will. Whether you're crafting a petite icon or an expansive poster, Firefly's canvas adapts itself to ensure your artistic endeavors are nothing short of perfect. Fluid brushes. Creating art in the digital realm is a seamless, natural experience with Firefly's fluid brushes. The strokes flow harmoniously, mimicking the sensations of working with traditional mediums. Interactive animations. Firefly takes the art of design beyond static visuals. With the power of interactive animations, your designs can dance, captivate, and interact with your audience in a whole new enchanting dimension. AI-powered suggestions. Are you seeking an extra spark of creativity? Well, Firefly's AI-powered suggestions are your creative confidant, offering ingenious recommendations and innovative ideas to overcome hurdles and journey into uncharted artistic territory. Number 3. Getting started. Feeling invigorated by these remarkable features? Let's take the plunge into getting started with Adobe Firefly. User-friendly interface. Firefly's interface is your artistic playground designed with intuitive simplicity. Tools and options are harmoniously organized, ensuring your focus remains on the artistry at hand. Seamless idea integration. Firefly is your creative haven, where sketches on paper and drafts from other software seamlessly intertwine, allowing you to cultivate your concepts into awe-inspiring masterpieces. Tutorials and learning resources. Adobe stands steadfast by your side as you venture into the realms of Firefly. A plethora of tutorials and learning resources await. Number 4. Real-world applications. Now that you're acquainted with the intricate wonders of Adobe Firefly, let's set our gaze upon its real-world applications, each more captivating than the last. Graphic design. Craft logos, posters, banners, and social media graphics that transcend the ordinary, captivating the hearts and minds of your audience. Illustration. With Firefly's advanced brushes and tools, your illustrations will breathe with life and express your artistic soul in ways you never thought possible. Web design. Elevate the digital landscape with awe-inspiring web designs that harmonize aesthetics and functionality, leaving a lasting impression on every visitor. UI/UX design. Navigate the intricacies of user interfaces and user experiences with finesse, crafting designs that seamlessly merge beauty and usability. Number 5. Community and sharing. Remember, you're never alone on this incredible journey of the creative odyssey. Adobe Firefly beckons you into a vibrant community of fellow artists and designers, a realm where you can share your creation, receive constructive feedback, and find endless inspiration in the kaleidoscope of creativity that surrounds you. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey into the world of creativity with Adobe Firefly, the ultimate design tool that has the power to transform your imagination into breathtaking art. We hope you're as excited as we are about the endless possibilities that bring Firefly and your creative endeavors into one magic sandbox. Remember, the canvas is your playground, and your creativity knows no bounds. Adobe Firefly is here to nurture your ideas, elevate your designs, and unlock new realms of artistic expression. If you found this video enlightening and are ready to embark on your own artistic adventure with Adobe Firefly, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more exhilarating content, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things creative. Feel free to share your thoughts, experiences, and masterpieces in the comments below. Let's continue this conversation and inspire each other in our artistic pursuits. Thank you once again for being a part of our community of the creative community. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of your imagination with Adobe Firefly.